Good morning to all teachers, students, and all of the audience that watched this video. It is an honor to me to be able to speak in front of here. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Johanna as the representative of 11th Science 5 in National Schools Debating Championship for 2020 from Semansa to Kota Bekasi. Today I want to bring up the motion about President instruction for the TNI Polri to intensify patrols to discipline residents during the pandemic. As we all know, and we have been through until now, that the pandemic caused by the COVID-19 virus has been something that we struggle until now. Even though in almost half a year we've been in quarantine, but the case still increasing badly. Based on covid19.go.id, total case for today is 389,712 positive cases. 313,764 cases that healed, and 13,299 died. And based on health.thetik.com, Indonesia break 3 records in a row as the most highest increasing case. It is not something that we can be proud of. Contrary-wise, we should be ashamed of it. It is not just affect the health, because it can cause economic crisis. Many souls were gone but not just because the virus, but the lack of income that they even cannot provide their daily needs. So how could they live their own life? If we search the core of the problem, it's because the case that keep increasing badly, and then we all have to be in quarantine. Most of the employees were being fired. The income of the company is being shaken too, because we are not living in a normal condition again. Many we have been bring out as example health protocol. So to stabilize and restrict all of this problem, our president released instruction, or as we know, president instruction, that we will see some of the effort or some of the written result to be specified for TNI Polri to intensify this patrol. President Instruction Number 6, 2020, to be specific on Secretary References Number 4 until 5. It says that TNI Polri have to support all the governor and the mayor by giving the power they have, as example, all the police and army, to discipline the public based on the rules or work that the national or regional government made. Communication and support, as we know, are really needed in these circumstances, so we could back up one another and that could maximize the rules that have made. And the president give the freedom and support to the governor and mayor to do their job to minimize the spreadness, but yet to stabilize the economic. National Army of Indonesia worked together with the Police of Republic Indonesia and another agency to activate the health protocol, and by restrict all the legal regulation in public. And the last is to maximum the effort from the health protocol. But have the police done their best? We all can see the prevention, the handling, and the recovery that happened. We all know that TNI Polri give all what they can bring. As example from this video, we can see that social punishment for those who break the health protocol is going on. We can see that all the police and the army are intensifying the health protocol. They have reached out the public by media, social, from news, social media, public places. But in many ways, there are so many people ignoring this problem. So we can conclude that the police and all the army already do their job and do their best to intensify health protocol. But to be real, this is our own fight. We have to obey the rules because the rules are made for our own good. If the doctor, paramedic, president, government, police already told us about this situation, but still we break the rules, we cannot blame on one side. The rule is two sides, so we have to obey the rules. And this pandemic could be over as soon as possible, as minimum cases as possible. Because we're talking about that life, not fallen leaf. That is all from me. Thank you.